After the initial solve and time session, the process and activities are more structured and less random. However, like the solve and time process itself, the facilitator is available to each group on a monthly basis for individual support. During that initial workshop, not only are they going through a rapid prototyping session, but they're also going through a diagnostic as a group, where the facilitator is free to observe how group dynamics work, what topics are most pertinent to the community, and how they think about the topics they choose. Afterwards, the facilitator shares a summary of qualitative and quantitative feedback to leadership with recommended next steps. Following this, group leaders are led through a goal-setting exercise in which groups articulate their mid- and long-term goals in order to prevent, correct, improve, or excel in a particular area. Groups are expected to share any helpful background information as to why they selected their stated goal. Once a group has a clear understanding of the goal they have in mind, they will begin to formulate an action plan. This plan should identify specific objectives, list the tasks that need to be accomplished, and assign responsibility for each task. They will be guided to set milestones with dates for completing each task. This will help to ensure that the project stays on track and that all of the necessary tasks are completed in a timely manner. During this multi-week process, all participants are led through a series of activities to help empower the groups with requisite skills to problem solve with the community members most affected by the problems originally identified. Taking into consideration observations made during the initial workshop, the facilitator may choose to introduce various research strategies, interview skills, empathy mapping, ideation exercises, presentation development, and more. This coaching is done in formal training as well as scheduled individual group coaching. Finally, at the conclusion of the Solve and Time coaching, groups deliver to community stakeholders their process, their growth, their goals as originally set or adapted, and their early findings in executing their solutions with the community members most affected by the problems identified. For many, this may look like a formal presentation with slides and graphs. For others, it may be a spoken word presentation or a visual arts display. Regardless of the medium, the goal is to share how transformation is happening and how they aim to have it continue and evaluate its effectiveness over time.